Here we are today at our newest listing. Where are we, Jeff?
Today, we are at 6511 Laurelton Avenue in beautiful West Grove, California.
In this particular part of West Grove, we have oversized lots. They are massive. This one is at the end of a cul-de-sac. There's so much parking. RV parking, parking for multiple cars, and then once you get inside, you're gonna love the smooth ceilings, recessed lighting, remodeled kitchens, baths, and shiplap galore. We are so excited for you to take a look. Come on in.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up, yeah. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up, yeah. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up, yeah. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Here we are in the massive backyard. It is so great for entertaining, for the kids playing. We are moments, just steps away from Garden Grove Unified top schools, Bell Intermediate, Enders, and Pacifica High School. This location's amazing. The yard, the house inside's amazing. If you've enjoyed this video, what should they do?
They should subscribe to our channel, give us a like, please, and for more videos, for a private tour actually to his home and homes like it, give us a call.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.